Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's look at all the indices. You can see Nasdaq here came near, basically just touching the red line just around 8:25 a.m. Eastern today morning, and now going lower. This is not the area you want to be buying, guys. I only look to buy in the green lines. Until there, I don't do anything. Let market do its thing. I will just wait and watch until it drops back below 23,990. And S&P 500, similar story, just touched it around 8:25 a.m. to the dot to the red line. Now just wait for it to come back to green line. Bitcoin here. All right, so massive moves here, up and down, up and down. Now again back in the green zone here. Okay, huge moves. I'll show you on a daily chart. I'm getting a uh, 7 count sell signal, so we have to be very careful. Same thing with all the indices. We'll review it right away in few minutes. And what else is going? Ethereum, let's say Ethereum is also same thing, coming back down to the green zone here. So let's review long-term chart, guys. Please hit the like button as I'm reviewing these. And if you want to know more about this indicator, subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description. Okay, so this is VWAP of Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually a great shot here. I'm looking for a move back down to this white dotted line. That's about from where it is, that's about a move of about at least 3%, if not more. Okay. So this is not where I want to be buying. You can see this move here came here and then boom back down. And at neutral line is this. And then even if we go back to the green zone, that will be from where we are right now. Green will be around 4.5%. Okay. That will be ideal area to buy. So for now, we'll let it do its thing. I'm not going to participate. I'm not buying anything here. Okay. This is an indication it's very, very overbought. And this is S&P 500. You can see also touching the red line. This is not, guys, this is not where you want to be buying. I'm telling everybody. 6612, touching the red line. You can see every time it touches red line, boom down. Above red line, boom down. This is not the area. You can see touching red line, come down. So wait for a pullback. This is not where you want to be buying. Full stop. Let's go to daily chart and see how things are looking. Seasonality wise, you can see here S&P 500 getting a 7 count sell signal, live market right now. And this is SPX chart, already got a 7 count last Friday. And with all these gaps to fill, this is SPY ETF. You can see all these gaps to fill. So I'm just going to wait and watch and see what market is doing next couple of weeks. And this is Nasdaq, same story, 7 count sell signal. And DX did not give it, but maybe today's candle will give it. This is not live. And these are the gaps you can see. Triple Qs. Also, you can see all the gaps they have to fill. All right. Bitcoin. All right. So 7 count sell signal yesterday. I released a short video. Today also getting rejected. Tried to rally, got rejected. And again, let's see how far this will be. There are some moving averages coming, so there's some support here. This is BTC gaps chart. Let's go to 1 hour chart. So let's see. There was a gap. Probably they wanted to fill this gap. It had a gap down, but now it's all full. There's no gap here. Ethereum might have a gap. No, Ethereum gaps is also full. So let's go to daily chart, and next gaps are actually here, 97 and 91K. To be honest, if we come back all the way down from there to first gap fill, 15% to 20% down possibility. Okay. So, and this is Bitcoin. So be very careful. This is still an uptrend, higher high, higher lows. It really needs to hold here where it is right now. A lot of support here. If they break it down with some news, then that's not good. Ethereum, similar story, getting a 7 and 8 count sell signal right now here. So it needs to hold here and find some support here to hold on. Ethereum gap, top gap is not filled. 48.27, bottom gaps are around 34.28 and below. All right, so Ethereum can fall really more from where it is right now, 23, 24%. So be very careful there. We could be seeing a top very, very soon. In terms of stocks, Tesla, you can see, guys, again up here. So it looks like they want to touch 453 gap. That's the gap they want to touch. They went above 402, so some insane moves. Elon Musk, they said he bought 1 billion of shares. So that's why it's going higher. Probably they want to go fill this gap around 453. This looks like a blow off top to me. I'm just gonna stay away. You can see just When it goes straight up, it could come straight way down too. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. Apple for some reason is up. I had a good profit, but now it's going on up on a gap up. Could be going towards 246, but because of weak seasonality, I think this gap is going to be filled and probably it's going to come back down to fill this bottom gap. So I'm just going to wait and watch and see how things are reacting. Netflix probably going to go fill this gap at 1149. Facebook is down pre-market as well. Not sure why, but there's also this gap not fully filled at 736. So all these companies, I'm not going to go one by one. Oh, nvda is interesting because something is with China could be coming to fill this gap fully. Actually, that will be a good buy here. I will be keeping an eye. So that gap from where it closed, this full gap to fill is around 3.85%. So 170.89, that would be a good area to buy. And if I go to this chart, let's see, 170.85. This is 171. Um, I think that's the area, the 171, 178. I think that's the what around 171 is the gap, and that will be from where it is right now. 1.46 could be going down almost 3%, 3.5%. So I'll be keeping an eye on this. Actually, I'm going to move nvda up because it's looking very, very interesting for a day trading perspective. Okay, yeah, so around 171 is the thing which I'm looking to buy. Okay, that's when the gap will be filled and I will be loading NVIDIA. Let's see if I can get that. Um, Actually, I might be putting an order pre-market today and see what they do. avgo also, I don't want to touch it right now. Let's not talk about it. This is bond market, just flagging here. Let's see what they want to do. TLT is also at new all-time high. Not all-time high, I mean at short-term high, I would say. In terms of commodities, crude oil is in the buy zone. Natural gas is also trying to reverse the trend. Let's see if it can do it. Gold also flagging. Silver is also here at the top. Dollar, Fed is expected to cut interest rate. Let's see what they do. But dollar is just building a lot of strength here. Let's see if it can bounce. Um, Apart from that, Shopify is also looking pretty solid here, near with multiple gaps to fill. We'll keep an eye. I'm trading wise, I'm very, very careful, very selective of what I want to be buying because I know. Let's see VIX. VIX is still not showing 7, 8 counts. So today could be also a green date, but I think VIX is going to develop some strength very, very soon, and that's going to dump stock market. So I'm just being very selective on what I want to buy. And you have to be very careful because they can dump market anytime. So let's see when and if they do. So just be careful. Okay, guys, that's it for today. And again, if you want to know the stocks I'm buying, these levels for NVIDIA, like I showed, when I will be buying, you can subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description. Okay, bye.